could have gone wrong? This is crazy. My man is standing on beams in a bathroom with exposed floor. This is just nothing about this is safe, good at all. I mean, just down to the demolition, doesn't look like it's been done properly. There should have been some sort of, I would say, plywood down, depending on what he's got to do first. I mean, it's a bathroom, so he's probably preparing it for tile work, which would be some cement and stuff, but these beams just don't look like it's in good condition. This is just not a safe space, and he really just could have hurt himself long term. He could have gone through down to the next floor. This is just bad construction practices across the board. What do you think is wrong with this video and what happened? We'd love your thoughts. Comment below.